Alright guys, no time to waste. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make around $250 in around 4 hours by just swing trading Shinja. Just Shinja alone. I'm going to show you real quick how I do it. Alright, so before we go any further, just like, share, and subscribe. I see you guys subscribing and I appreciate the subscription. Just keep doing so, guys. I'm going to show you some great techniques and give you some great content. Alright, this is not a financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy, sell, or hold. I'm going to show you how I make a quick $250 and how you can do the same. You have to have the Bitmart app. Alright, this is what I'm using because it doesn't work on Coinbase and it doesn't work on crypto.com. So you have to have Bitmart. So you can click on the link in the description and sign up on my Bitmart. I think you get a percentage and I get a percentage of around $10-20, something like that. All right, let me show you real quick how we do it, right? This is Shinja right here. So if you look at Shinja, you're gonna see that Shinja is moving. It's not like some other kind. Let me show you the difference. If you look right here, you can see the activity going on in Shinja. This is an active kind. This is very active. You can see activity going on. Alright, so this is a kind that you can swing trade on. Alright, so swing trade means that you don't buy it, sit and hold it for 10 years. You can make money daily. So if I go back now, I'm going to show you another kind, right? And this is just some examples I'm showing you. I'm going to go to a kind called berry. This kind called berry. I'm going to show you the difference. I'm going to show you how you can differentiate the kind that you're going to use for this purpose. Look at berry. Berry is up 50% right now. 50% berry. All right? But look at the way the traffic is over there. One big buy. I wouldn't waste my time with this because this is nobody buy for past 4 or 5 hours. Nobody buying anything. You see what I'm saying? So this kind is not the kind that I would use for that purpose. That's the reason why I'm working with Shinja and M content. But this kind right now this video is just about Shinja. I'm gonna show you real quick how I do it in Shinja. So we're gonna go back and once we on the market, which is right down here, you're gonna go ahead and just click on Shinja. Where is it? All the way back to the top right here. Once we click on Shinja, I'm gonna show you something real quick here. Let me show you first where I purchased the history. Alright, this is my purchase this morning. So this is what I did. This morning early, I wake up and I buy this Shinja. You see the time? Let me show you the time if you didn't see the time, guys. I'm gonna show you the time right here. Right here. 3:16 a.m. in the morning I wake up. Alright, now open it up. I'm gonna show you again because this is the receipt, as they would say. This is the receipt right here. 3:16 and the 28th of January 2022. That's when I start. Okay, so when I buy Shinja, it was at 261. Okay, so 261, and I come in and I buy some, and as you can see the gas fee is very low, around $3 I pay, and look how much I got. I got a whole lot right here. Look at it. So this is the difference. This is what made me make that money that quick, because I buy a good amount. Now, if we go back, you're gonna see right here, I sell Shinja. I sell it, and let me see if I can give you the detail and how much I sell it for. I sell it when it get up to 401. But I didn't sell everything. I only sell 75% because I know that it was gonna dip. So we went up to 4. It went from 261 to 401. I set what we call a limit sell. So as it's hit 401, I sell it and I hold that 75% that I sell it for until when it dip. I'm not gonna lie, I buy a little bit too quick. If I wait a little bit more, like 20 minutes before I buy back, I would have made more money right now. But look at this now. Now we go back to this is where I come back and I buy back again. So right here, I buy back again. That's when it dipped. Now let me show you the dip. All right. So if we go here, we're gonna go to buy. Let's go back to the market, and then we go to Shinja again. All right. Now this is what it is. I'm about to sell again, guys, but I already got a market sale set up. So look, if you look down here, once I buy, I come down here and I set up a limit sell. You have to buy and platform where you can do limit sell. So this is the limit sell. So right now I got a limit sell here set up for 4.9. So once it hit 4.9, I'm gonna sell again. And once I sell 75%, I'm not selling everything. I'm gonna go ahead and hold it for the dip. Because if you look back right here, let me show you. Before I skip from this page, I'm going to show you how to do the limit sell. So once you're on this page and you want to do a limit sell, all you have to do is go up to sell, set the amount, and sell it. Alright? So now, if you want to sell 100%, I just click 100%, and it will tell me what that would be, and then I change the number right here to how much I'm going to sell it. So if I want to sell it when it get to 538, right here, I would go ahead and do so, and then walk out with a profit and wait for the dip again. So let me show you the dip. Right here, when I sell this morning, is when it went up right here, and I sell when I buy back when it dip. You see that big orange dip right here? I buy back when it dip right there. You see right now, it's about to dip again. I was supposed to sell again, but this time I'm going to let it slide a little bit because it's going to dip. So I'm just going to let it slide because I'm making this video. But this is how I make that 250. So let me show you what the portfolio look like right now. So this is Shinja, and if we go back to my asset, I'm going to show you how much I got on Shinja right now. So this my asset would be showing 350. Do you remember how much I put in there this morning? You gotta remember how much I put in there this morning. So let me go back and show you again. If we click home and go to the top, from home we go down to order history, and early this morning I put in, let me just bring it up, $92 right here. And that's what I'm making right now. So if you do it right, you can make some money on a daily. You can make some money and jump out, jump in, jump out, jump in. But you have to know how to do it and do the right kind to do it with. Once you're doing it with the right kind, like Shinja, M content, those kinds are stable kind. They just move, they go up, they come down. If you find another kind such as Baby Dash or if Shib moving, you can do the same thing. But you have to do it on a kind that have a lot of traffic going on it. Once again, guys, if you like this video and need more details and how to get your money into Bitmart, I got some video on my channel that show you how to get your money into Bitmart. I also got a link in the description that show you part 1 and part 2, how to get your money in Bitmart and how to start doing the same thing and make $100, $200 a day easy. This is in the morning. I'm making this video right now at 7:06. So by 12 o'clock I may do this again. In the evening I may do this again.